Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this 16-piece hole saw set with the nice carrying case. Now this is a 16-piece hole saw set that's made of a durable carbon steel construction. Offers the 12 cutting blade sizes and then 4 separate accessories. We're going to go through all the pieces. First we'll start with the cutting blades. It gives you the largest, which is a 5-inch diameter hole saw. Then it goes to a 4-inch, a 3.5 inch, a 3-inch, then a 2.5 inch, a 2-inch, a 1 3/4, a 1.5, and a 1 1/4, and those all go on the larger Arbor. And then on the small Arbor, it uses the 3 smallest sizes, which is the 1 1/8 inch, the 7/8 inch, and the 3/4 inch. And then basically it gives you the large Arbor, the small Arbor, a drill bit that can interchange between each Arbor. And basically the way you would interchange it, if you unscrew the nut down there, you'll see there's a little hex key right, or a hex wrench, or a hex bolt that you put your hex key in there. And then when you put your drill bit and tighten it down, it'll hold it into place. And you do the same on the larger Arbor. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. And then it comes with this support plate. You can see it's a plate with 2 pins in it, and basically what that's for is when you're drilling a hole which is a large size hole. If you notice, the hole for the Arbor has 2 holes alongside of it. So what this does is when you take your, just to show you how this attaches, we'll take the large Arbor, and then let's say we're going to put the drill bit in. So with the drill bit in, we'll go ahead and put our wrench in, snug that down so it stays in place. And then what you'll do is put this up through, actually put it down through, until there's 2 flat sides that'll go through there. And then what you'll do is take this support plate, drop it into there, and line those holes up before you put the nut on to tighten it down. Once you tighten that down, just snug it up with a wrench, and now you're all ready to go. Basically, that support plate will give you more support across the larger diameter holes. It can only be used up to, I think, 1 3/4 is the smallest it's used on, and then all the way up to the larger sizes. So it's pretty simple, just like that. And then on the smaller, let's go ahead and put the nut back on the large Arbor. And then on the smaller Arbor, if you want to switch out the drill bit, you can. If you don't need to, you can actually just do the same on this one. Take your very smallest one, drop your Arbor through there, and then take your, and once you get that, make sure it's all the way through, and then take your nut and go ahead and tighten it up, and just like that, now you can do the smallest one. So it gives you 2 different Arbor sizes to use with the small Arbor with the 3 smallest ones, and then the large Arbor with the larger ones. And as we mentioned, it comes in this nice carrying case. Just want to show you how that all stacks in there. Basically, you just start with the largest one. Has a little cutout that most of these will fit into. And once you get them all pretty much lined up, and you take your 3 smaller ones. The largest one will go in there. That one will go in there. The smallest one you have to put in there. And then again, you can take your Arbor, the large Arbor with the drill bit in it. Even has a nice little spot for our hex key. Small Arbor goes in there. And even the support plate drops in there. So everything has its own little spot. Push it closed, latch it, and it's all ready to go, all in this nice carrying case. But that should do it for the review on the 16-piece hole saw set with the carrying case.